Democracy is precious, so we think more is always better. Yet we can overdo democracy. When politics saturates our lives, civic capacities suffer. In a democracy, we need to treat our fellow citizens as our equals, and that's not easy. It's even harder when we see political affiliation as their defining characteristic. In the United States, partisan identities are more like lifestyles than political ideas, and society is segregated along party lines. Our opponents look alien, and our allies are mere instruments. What's getting lost is the person. When we don't see others as persons, we won't treat them as equals. To respect equality, we need to engage in activities where political differences aren't suppressed, but simply beside the point. We must put politics in its place. Now that sounds strange, but that we struggle to imagine non-political activities is the whole problem. It's democracy overdone.